Today, everyone. So today here I'm teaching Mingchap. In Tibetan we say Mingchap, and that means personal pronouns or possessive pronouns. Okay, so 강사 당보 for the first person we have nga. Nga means I. Okay, or we have another word that is ngarang. Ngarang, I. It's the same, okay? Nga or ngarang is the same. And then 강사, ngiba, second person. So we have ke, that means you, or kerang, or you, okay? Ke or rang, also we use ke or rang. And these all are, that means you, okay? And then 강사, sumba for the third person, kong. So kong it can be he or she, okay? And then ko or mo. That means he. Mo, that means she, okay? Female. And then with the plural, minchik, that means plural. Okay, in English, we use a S, right? In Tibetan, cho, chanaro cho makes the plural, okay? So here, nga cho, that means we. Ngarang cho is the same, okay? We. And then for the second person, ken number cho, this is a more like a honorific. ken number cho means you all. And kerang cho, okay, second one is kerang cho. And then another one, kecho, rang cho. So these are all same, okay. For the third person, kong number cho, they are. This is a more like a honorific, okay, or kong cho, ho cho, it's the same, okay. And then if we put takdi mingchap possessive pronouns, if we put here the connection genitive particle or connective particle, and then it's a become a possessive pronouns. That means so I become my, he or she become his, she, her, right? Okay. And then here, first one, ni, nga, akigu, I, ni, my, okay? Or ngayi, it's the same. Ni or ngayi is the same, okay? My. Ngarang ki, also same. My, okay? Keki, your. Kerang ki, yours, right? And then another one, köki or rangki is the same. So we have a different genitive particle or connective particle because of the different suffix, okay? And then 강사, sumba, third person, kong ki, his or her, right? Or 그 카나로코 아키고 이 코이 무 그 means his or 무 means her 모이 her is the same, okay? And in the plural 망치 ngatu or, right? ngarang tu is the same. 아니 ketu yours, right? ngarang kerang tu, okay, it's the same. And then 공주 dear, right? 곤초 이, 곤주 or 고추 is the same, dear, okay? Okay, thank you, and then see you in next video.